27 days. That's what you have left in 2025. Not enough time to completely transform your life, but enough time to prove something. If you're someone who's really tired of being mediocre and actually wants to improve, I want you to trust me on this. So here's what we're going to do with those 27 days. Let me be honest with you. You've been planning your comeback for 3 years. 2023 was supposed to be your year, then 2024. Now 2025 is almost over and you're still not where you wanted to be. You worked, the effort was there, but something was missing. Maybe you got inconsistent, maybe you gave up when it got hard, maybe you just didn't go hard enough. But you're not dead yet. You still have 27 days. And what you do with these 27 days determines whether 2026 is actually different or just another year of broken promises. So here's what you're going to do. For the next 27 days, you're going maximum output. Fuck sustainability. Fuck being balanced. I want you to go maximum. 3 non-negotiables. Choose them right now. Mine would be train every day, 0 degeneracy, 4 hours of deep work minimum. Yours might be different. I don't care what they are, but pick 3 things that if you did them every single day for 28 days, you'd be a different person by January 1st, and then do them. Here's the difference between this and every other time you tried. You're not trying to build habits. You're not trying to be sustainable. You're going to war for the next few weeks. You wake up, you execute, you go to bed. No overthinking, no waiting for motivation, no checking if you feel like it. You just do it, because here's what happens when you actually commit. Day 1, you prove you can. Day 7, your body adjusts. Day 14, people notice something changed. Day 27, you're not the same person who started. And when everyone else is making their 2026 resolutions, you're already 28 days in. You have momentum, you have proof, you have identity. You're someone who finishes what they start. But let me tell you what's going to happen. Around day 5, you're going to feel tired. Your brain will say this is too much. Around day 12, you'll have a bad day. You'll want to quit. Around day 20, you'll think I've done enough. I can relax now. And that's when most people break. But you're not going to break, because you understand something they don't. This isn't about the 27 days. This is about proving to yourself that when you say you'll do something, you actually do it. Every time you keep your word, your brain learns to trust you. Every time you break it, your brain learns your promises mean nothing. For 3 years, you've been breaking your word. These few days are about rebuilding that trust. So when your brain says it's too hard, you say I don't care. When it says just skip today, you say no. When it says start fresh in 2026, you say I'm finishing 2025 strong. And if you do this, you don't just end 2025 strong. You change your identity. You become someone who keeps their word. Someone who doesn't quit when it's hard. Someone who goes to war when everyone else gives up. And that person doesn't fail in 2026 because they're not starting from 0. They're starting with 28 days of proof. They're not hoping they can change. They know they can because they already did. This is how you stop being someone who plans and become someone who executes. So here's your decision. You can spend the next 28 days like everyone else, waiting for 2026, planning your comeback, making promises you won't keep, or you can go all in right now. If you can't push for a couple of days, then believe me, 2026 won't be any different. You either finish 2025 as someone who kept their word, or you start 2026 as someone who never does. Your choice.